Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter practical geometry, which is very important and important chapter of your NCERT exercise. And in that chapter, dear students, we discuss first topic of your chapter, which is to construct a parallel line given to a line through a point, and that point lies outside the circle. Okay, and in previous class we take one questions and construct that type of questions. Okay, listen, now we take one more question of your NCERT exercise. Based on them, we take the second part of this question, second question of the exercise 10.1, and construct them. Let's see your question, dear students. Your question is draw a line L. Draw a line L. Okay, draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L. Draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. At any point on L. At any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X. On this perpendicular, on this perpendicular, on this perpendicular, choose a point X. Choose a point X 4 centimeter away from L. 4 centimeter away from L. Okay. Now through X draw a line N. Through X draw a line N. Choose through X, dear friends. Draw a line M parallel to L. Parallel to L. This is our question here. This is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see once more time. Here our question, your question is draw a line L. Okay, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X which is 4 centimeter away from L, and we construct a line through X. We draw a line M parallel to L. Dear student, in that type of question, first of all, we draw a line L. Okay, let's see. Dear student, first of all, in first step, we draw a line L. Suppose that we have a line L. In step first, let's see its solution. Let's see its solution, dear students. First of all, in step first, draw a line L. Okay, we draw a line L. Now, what I do, dear students, let's see according to questions. We draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Dear students, first of all, we draw the perpendicular on L, perpendicular to L at any point on L. Okay. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Suppose that we take a point this. Okay, we take a point this. So now we draw a perpendicular to L. For direction for drawing to construct the perpendicular from a point to a given line. First of all, we take half of distance, we cut an arc in this way, and half of this in this way, and we draw in this way. So this is the perpendicular. Suppose that we draw the perpendicular to L from any point P. Suppose that, dear friends, we draw the perpendicular to L on from any point or any outside point Now here according to question, draw a perpendicular to L. Now draw the perpendicular to L. So we draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Okay. Now let us take that point be Q. Now what I do, on this perpendicular choose a point X. On this perpendicular we choose a point X which is 4 centimeter from L. Suppose that we choose a point here. We choose a point X which is how many distance? We choose a point X. Let's instead to let a point X. Okay, let a point X on the perpendicular on the okay, let a point X on the perpendicular which is 4 centimeter away from L, which is 4 centimeter away from L. Suppose that the distance between X and Q is what? 4 centimeter. Okay, dear students, this is the condition here. Here we take a point X now. Okay, here that point we choose a point X on the perpendicular which is 4 centimeter away from L. So we take a point X on the perpendicular which is away from L by 4 centimeter. Now what I do? Now dear students, through X. Dear students, now through X. Okay, dear students. Now look. Dear students, through X we draw a line and which is parallel to L. Okay, now look. What is the concept now dear student, now what I do? Now we take Q as center. We take what? We take Q and center and have any convenient radius. Yesterday I discussed about that topic. Dear students, now we take Q as center. Now because dear students, this parallel lines draw only by the help of ruler and compasses only. Okay. So now we put the tip of the compass at point Q and take any convenient radius. We draw an arc in this way which cuts the line at point A and perpendicular at point B. Dear friends, now look. Now first of all, here the distance between X and that point is 4 centimeter now. And now we take now we put the tip at the point Q and we take any convenient radius. We draw an arc in this way which cuts the line L at point A and perpendicular at point B. Okay, dear students. Now look, now with X as center. Now with X as center and the same radius which we take at that condition. Now we take X as center and have the same radius, cut an arc CD which intersects the perpendicular at point E, which cuts the perpendicular at point E, dear friends. This is the next step of that type of construction. Yesterday I discussed about that already. Okay, now look once more time, dear friends. First we take Q as center. Now we put the tip of the compass at point Q and cuts an arc in this way. The arc cuts the line L at point A and the line B at perpendicular at point B. Okay, now with the same radius which we take at that point, with the same radius, now we take X as center. Now we put the tip of the compass at point X and have the same radius which is taken at that point. We draw an arc CD which cuts the perpendicular at point E. Okay, dear friends. Now what I do? Look. Now, dear friends, after that we put the tip of the compass. We put the tip of the compass at point A. At point A, and the open end at put at point B. Okay, A to B. Now we put the tip of the compass at point A, and they open end put at point B. Now with the same distance, we take E and center and cut an arc in this way. Cut an arc in this way. Now suppose that point is said to be F. Now what I do? Now we join F. We draw a line through F and X in this way. Okay. Now this is the required line M, which is parallel to F. This is our required line M, which is our required point M, which is parallel to N. Therefore, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see once more time, dear students. First of all, we take a line L. After that, we draw the perpendicular to any point on L, and we take a point according to statement, according to question. We take any point X on its perpendicular, which is 4 cm away, from the line L. Okay, dear friends. After that, we apply the same process to construct a parallel line to a given line L, which we discussed in previous class. Now for that, therefore we take Q as center. Okay, now we take Q as center and have any convenient radius. Draw an arc which cuts the line L at point A and perpendicular at point B. Okay, now with the same radius, now we put the tip at point X and draw an arc CD which cuts the perpendicular at point E. Okay. After that, dear friends, now we put the tip at point A and open tip put at point B. Now we take same distance. Now taking E as center and cut an arc in this way. Suppose that at point F, now we join X and draw a line, which is our required line. This is our required line parallel to L. Okay, dear friends. Thus, dear students, in this way, we clear the concept to draw a parallel line to a given line through a point and that point lies on outside the line. Now, dear friends, we take and discuss the next topic of your chapter, which is constructing a triangle when the lengths of its three sides are known. Okay, let's see, dear students. Now we discuss the constructing a triangle. Constructing a triangle when the length of its three sides of it when the length of its three sides are known. Dear friends, this is one of the most important topic. Which is most important topic of your chapter. Okay. Now look here. Your topic is constructing a triangle. This is very easy topic, dear student. Let's we take a question and construct them. Then you all clear the concept. Look here, constructing a triangle when the lengths of its three sides are known. Now we take a question and simplify this. We construct them. We take a question. Your question is construct a triangle ABC construct a triangle ABC, construct a triangle ABC, given that AB is equal to, given that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, AB is equal to what? 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now look at solution. Dear friends, this is our question, and according to this, our question is we construct a triangle. Okay, we construct a triangle ABC given that AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to what? 7 centimeter. Okay, dear students. Now, what I do, dear students? First of all, we draw the rough sketch. First of all, dear students, in that type of question, first of all, you draw the rough sketch of the triangle. After that, you construct them easily. Okay, let's see. First of all, let's see. Suppose that ABC is a triangle, and in which BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now look, this one, in going to construct that triangle, first of all, we draw a line segment BC is equal to, first of all, we draw the base of the triangle, which is 6 centimeter. So, first of all, in step first, what I do, we draw a line segment BC of length 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC of length 6 centimeter. This is our first step. Let's see. Now look. Suppose that here, with the help of scale, here first of all we draw the length. First of all, in first step we draw a line segment of BC of length 6 centimeter. This is our first step of this type of construction. Now, what I do? Yes. Look. Now AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we take, now first of all we put, let's see, in second step. In second step we put the tip of the compass. Now in next step we put the tip of the compass at point B. Okay, tip of the compass at point B, and taking the length by the help of the scale is 5 centimeter. Taking the length 5 centimeter and cut an arc in this way. Okay, cut an arc. Now in next step, dear friends, we take B. We put the tip of the compass at point B. Okay, at point B, we put the tip of the compass at point B, and what I do? And we take the length as 5 centimeter and cut an arc in this way. Now, in next step, in step third, now we put the tip of the compass. Now we put the tip of the compass at point C. Now we put the tip of the compass at point C and take the distance equal to 7 centimeter. Take the distance equal to 7 centimeter. We cut the another arc in this way. Okay, we cut the previous arc. Now we put the tip of the compass at point C and distance equal to 7 centimeter and cut the previous arc at point, suppose that A. We cut the previous arc at point A. Okay. Now what I do? This next. Now we join AB and AC. Now what I do, this one? Now we join AB and AC. Let's see. Now we join AB and AC. This is your 5 centimeter and this length is 7 centimeter. So this is our required construction. Okay, this is our required construction. Dear students, one important thing is that if you are doing the construction of some that type of question and then you write your step of construction, this is very important for you. And okay, without writing the step of constructions, your construction is incomplete. So dear students, so please all of you mention the step of the constructions in each and every question of that chapter. Okay dear students, so just in this way you can construct a triangle ABC when all of its three sides are given. So this is the some important basic steps to construct that type of question. Now therefore you can construct all that type of questions. Okay, now dear students, we take the next topic of your chapter, which is constructing a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known, means side criteria. Okay, let's see. Now look, the topic is constructing a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. Okay dear students, this is the very important topic, means side criterion. Okay, here in that topic, here we construct a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of an angle between them are known. Now based on this topic we take a question and constructing them. Okay, now clear the question. Now look, we take a question based on this topic. Let's see. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. PQR is equal to, let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all we in that type of question, first of all we draw the rough sketch of that question. Let's see, and we draw the concept PQR. Suppose that this is angle PQR. Okay, PQR, in which angle PQR is what, 60 degree, and QR is what, 5.5 centimeter, and and PQ is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, now this is the our topic. Okay, dear student, in that type of construction we apply the same process which we discussed in previous topic. Let's see. First of all, dear students, in step first, we draw a line segment. We draw a line segment QR of length 5.5 centimeter. So we draw in this way. Suppose that first of all we draw a line segment QR of length what? Of length 5.5 centimeter. Now what I do is, now after that, first we construct an angle PQR with the help of ruler and compass. You know that very well, now. We first of all taking Q as center, and we construct that with that in this way. Okay, and that angle we draw a ray. This is in this way. This is your angle is 60 degree, dear friends. Okay, and draw a ray QX. Suppose that. Okay, now first of all, dear friend, in first step you draw a line segment QR of length 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. After that, you take Q as center and construct an angle 60 degree from there, and we construct an angle 60 degree from that point, and we draw QX, the ray QX. Okay, and produce 2x. Tick. Now after that, as we construct the PQ is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Now this one, after that we put the tip of the compass at point Q. We put the tip of the compass at point Q and taking the length 3 centimeter. Okay, and cut an arc which cuts the ray QX at point P. Suppose that at point P. And here your QP or PQ is equal to what? 3 centimeter. The length of PQ is 3 centimeter. Means after constructing the angle, dear student, after constructing the angle PQR, okay, after constructing the angle PQR, now after that you take Q as center. Okay, you put the tip of the compass at point Q and taking the length as 3 centimeter. You cut an arc which cuts the previous ray at point P. Okay, after that, dear friends, your final step is what? Your last step is you join PR. In this way, we construct the required triangle with the help of ruler and compasses only when its two sides and the angle included between them are given. So dear student, this is the whole process to construct that type of questions. Let's see once more time. First of all, you draw the rough sketch in rough page. Okay, after that, first of all, in first step you draw the base of the given triangle, that is PQ. QR, we draw the length of line segment QR, which is 5.5 centimeter. After that, taking Q as center and construct an angle 60 degree from there. Now after that, taking Q as center and distance equal to 3 centimeter, cuts an arc which intersects the previous ray at some point P. Now and final step, we join PR. This is our required triangle PQR. Thus, dear students, in this class, we discuss two more important topics related to your exercise, your chapter. Okay, so dear students, first of all, you revise all the topic, all the constructions which we discuss in that class. After that, in next class, we take and discuss the last topic of your chapter. Dear students, first of all, you revise all the topic very carefully and practice all the question of your NCERT exercise, dear students. Now In next class, we take and solve the next topic of your chapter. Okay. Thank you, dear students.